Welcome back to our YouTube tutorial series. In today's video, we will show you how to add an email address to your YouTube channel on PC. This will allow your viewers and potential collaborators to easily get in touch with you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Launch YouTube Studio by logging into your YouTube account and clicking on the YouTube Studio icon. Step 2. Click on Customization. Once you're in YouTube Studio, locate and click on the Customization tab, which is located on the left-hand side of the screen. Step 3. Select Basic Info. Within the Customization tab, you'll find various options. Click on Basic Info to access the settings related to your channel's information. Step 4. Scroll down to Contact Info. Keep scrolling down until you reach the Contact Info section. Step 5. Add your email address. Enter your email address in the designated field. By following these simple steps, you can easily add an email address to your YouTube channel on PC. This will enhance communication and collaboration opportunities for your channel. Thank you for watching this tutorial.